Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to show products by category in WooCommerce, and I will show you in two different methods. Very first method is Shortcode and another method is most popular page builder Elementor. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. Okay, let's get started. Very first I want to show with the shortcode. So navigate another tab and you can see this is the very blank page and I want to show product in this page with shortcode. That's why just click over here, edit page. Then you can see this plus icon, just click over here at block, then type here shortcode. This is the shortcode, just click over here. Then you have to write the shortcode here. You can type shortcode here or you can just copy and paste here. I want to save time, that's why I want to just copy and paste. So go to the another tab and this is the WooCommerce official documentation, and if you check here you will get all type of shortcode. Okay, don't worry, I have given this documentation link in this video description, so you can check it and just copy and paste the shortcode. Okay, so very fast, this is a shortcode, just copy it, then the paste here, and you can see product, then the limit, column and order by popularity. Just I want to remove it. Also I want to remove this class and the on sale. Okay, just remove it and save it. Then we will show another way, just save, then the reload this page. Okay, you can see products are showing. Now I want to show a specific category product here. So again go to the editor and you have to write the category name here. Just type here category, then the equal sign and double quotation. You have to write the category name here. So go to the admin dashboard and check the category. This is the available categories are here. Then you can see butter, you can copy it or you can type here. Just I want to copy it, then it will be correct. Okay, so go to the editor and just paste here and it will be small letter. Okay, so butter category and then save, visit and refresh the page. Okay, you can see this category is blank, so I can check another category like groceries. Just copy it and paste here. Save it, then the refresh the page and check it. Okay, now you can see it works fine. Now currently this is the full column. If you want, then you can change the column number from here, just column 4. If you want, then you can give, like I want to give here 2 column. Then save it. Again go to the website and refresh it. Okay, you can see it works fine. So in this way you can show the specific category product and you can change the column and the limit. Like if you want show here like 2 product, then give and save it, then refresh the page. Okay, you can see it works fine. Then again if you want to give here like 8 product and column will be like 4 column. Okay, save it, then refresh the page and check it. Okay, now you can see it works fine. So in this way you can show product with shortcode. Like if you don't want to use any page builder, then you can do it. Okay, so this is the official WooCommerce official documentation. Already I have given it in this video description, you can check it, and it has lots of options actually. This is the visibility feature. If you want, then you can use it. Then the scroll down and you can see lots of options actually. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the another method which is most popular Elementor page builder. Now I can close this tab. Okay, and this is the home page, and I want to show the product by categories just below the hero section. So very fast I have to edit the page with Elementor. Okay, now I have to install Elementor WooCommerce free add-on. So go to the admin dashboard and just plug in, click here add new, and type here Shopbuilder. This is the Shopbuilder, and already I have published lots of tutorials on it. Like if you want to edit the shop page, product page and category page, checkout page with Elementor, then you can check my YouTube channel and WooCommerce tutorial playlist. Okay, so click over here, install now, then activate. After install and activating the add-on, you can see new option is added in left side menu, Shopbuilder. And if you hover on it, then you can see this is the settings. So if you want, then you can go settings page from here, and you can go to the settings page in another way. You can see this is the Shopbuilder, and if you want, then you can go from here settings. Okay, so I want to go the settings page from here. Just hover over on Shopbuilder and click settings. This is the settings area, and I want to use Elementor widget. That's why you have to navigate, or you have to select Elementor widget. You can see currently it shows 3 tabs. So you have to select Elementor widget and just check here general. Then the I want to show product by categories. Okay, so you can see this is the product grid layout and a different type of layout. You can see it has some pro feature and free. So in this tutorial I am going to use only the free version. Okay, so product tutorial you have to enable from here. You can see this is the toggle button, and you can enable or disable from here, or if you want, then you can enable disable from here as well. Okay, so just click and enable it. Now this widget is ready for use. So again go to the editor, and now I have to reload this page. Just scroll down and click here plus icon and take in a section flex box. Okay, this is the plus icon, and from the left side top you can search from here, or just check where is the Shopbuilder. Currently it shows very fast, but maybe you can see Shopbuilder will show middle of the or the very bottom. Just check where is the Shopbuilder. This is the Shopbuilder. Then the product grid layout, just drag and drop here. You can see currently 2 layouts are free and other layouts are pro. So we are going to use only free version. So you can navigate to this style. I think a very fast style is perfect for me. Then the scroll down and check the query. This is the very important. Actually I want to show the product by category. That's why I have to select category. You can see you can exclude product from here, and you can give the product limit, and this is the filter by category. Actually I want to show a specific category product here. That's why I click here and type the product category name. Like I want to give here butter. This is the butter, and you can see this is the blank. That's mean in this category has no product. So I can close it. Then type here grocery and select it. Okay, you can see the grocery product category product are showing here. Now I want to change the limit, like I want to give it like 8 product. Okay, so it works perfectly. Publish, then check the website and reload it. Okay, you can see the groceries category products are showing here. So if you want, then you can show more category product here, or you can delete it, and if you want, then you can show here only one categories product. Okay, So in this way you can do it. Then navigate to the settings. Actually, if you check here, I hope you will be understand easily. This is the content ordering product image. Just check, you can change this add to cart text from here, action button. This is the add to cart text. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.